Bless up, yo. It's a guy right here, Kale, the pharmacist. You see this right here, right? Look at this kale. We planted this last season. It overwintered. A lot of people ask me all the time, how do I know that it's the end of the kale? Well, right here is a good indicator. You see this right here coming close? This is the flower part. It's about to flower. And after it flowers, it'll get some seeds. When your lettuce and your kale plants start to flower, the flavor changes. Right now, these leaves, they're really sweet. Yeah. They're really sweet right now. But when they start to flower, it's going to turn bitter. So this is the time that I got to go ahead and get my last harvest done on these. They're still giving me some good kale now. And if I wanted to get seeds, then I would let these go ahead and just get through the flowering stage. After the flowering stage, they start to get these little pods, and those pods will have the seeds in them. They gave us a lot of kale. They're still giving us kale. I'm going to get a whole lot of kale that I harvest right now, and then they're going to come out. You see these other beds right here? We already cut the kale out of those, and we already went and added in some compost. So after we harvest these, we're going to do the same thing. You guys watch all the good stuff that we plant right here. You know how we do. Free Haven Farm. Stay rooted. Keep growing. Bless.